In this video, we'll show you how to configure the nighttime illumination settings on your Alibi Vigilant Dual Light camera. To get started, navigate to Setup. From the menu on the left side, select Image. Then choose Smart Illumination. By default, the camera is configured for dual light mode. In this mode, the camera automatically switches to infrared when ambient light levels become low. If ultra motion detection detects a person or vehicle, the camera temporarily activates its white light, providing full color video during the event. Once the event ends, the camera returns to infrared operation. You can also select white light mode. In this setting, the white light remains on continuously throughout the night, delivering full color video until daylight returns, when the camera automatically switches back to normal daytime operation. The third option is infrared mode. This traditional night vision setting automatically enables infrared illumination after dark and returns the camera to full color video when daylight is restored. Choose the mode that best fits your installation environment and surveillance needs.